How to prepare a frequency distribution, cumulative frequency distribution, histogram and a frequency polygon using SPSS. We will start with frequency distribution in SPSS. A frequency distribution table provides a snapshot view of the characteristics of a data set. It allows you to see how scores are distributed across the whole set of scores, whether, for example, they are spread evenly or skew towards a particular end of the distribution. This is the data set we'll be using. Of course, you will have to launch SPSS on your system to start using it. Then input the data set with which to prepare a frequency distribution, cumulative frequency distribution, histogram and a frequency polygon. Let's input records of infection index scores for 90 subjects. To prepare a frequency distribution, cumulative frequency distribution and histogram. Here is the quick steps. On menu, click on Analyze, then Descriptive Statistics, then Frequencies. Move the variable of interest from the box on the left-hand side to the box on the right-hand side. Click on the Chart button, select Histograms, and then press the Continue button. Remember to check the box Display Frequency Table at the lower left-hand side of the dialog box. Click OK to generate a frequency distribution table, cumulative frequency distribution and histogram. To prepare a frequency polygon, on menu, click on Graphs and Chart Builder. Select Histogram. In the Gallery tab to the right, choose the frequency polygon graph, which is the third graph to the right. If you place your mouse over the graph, it will say Frequency Polygon. Now click and drag that third graph into the chart preview box above. Now click and drag your variable from the box to the left into either the X or Y axis of the polygon. Click OK. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up so that others will see it. Also, remember to subscribe if you have not done so. Until next time, keep learning.